Ever wondered how your safety shoes are born? Let's take you inside. Step 1. Premium upper cutting. हर कट बिल्कुल परफेक्ट. Premium leather shaped with precision for durability that lasts years. Step 2. Expert stitching. Upper mesh lining. Tongue सब कुछ जुड़ता है. With industrial grade strength, every stitch matters. Step 3. The lasting magic. Upper stretch perfectly. और फिर comes the real protection. 200 joules steel toe cap installed. Your safety, our priority. Step 4. PU injection molding. Molten PU poured into precision molds. Single or double density for comfort. Anti-slip grip. Foundation तैयार. Final step, finishing and testing. Her shoe cleaned, inspected, labeled. Quality check, passed. Only then it reaches you. No compromise. From raw leather to reliable protection. Everest Safety Shoes, proudly by Raj Guardmate, transforming workspaces, ensuring safety.